How to save a video on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save videos on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your app. Once you are here on For You page, you can scroll until you find the video you want to save. For example, this one. Now all you need to do is click on the share icon and you're gonna find this list. You can scroll over until you find the save option. Once you find, tap there, and now you are saving the video, and now you can find this video on your gallery. So this is it guys, easy and quick. You can do those steps with any video you want on Likee. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.